Hello everyone. I know it's foolish to ask you how are you because we all know how the pandemic is going and at what critical situation we are. So before proceeding further, let's have a disclaimer.
This video and the content presented is subjected to personal opinion and not intended to hurt anyone. And also, this is not a form of support or oppose any form of people or government or anybody. This is not to rebel against anybody but just to inform. And I request you to continue at your own risk.
We know we all live in the biggest democratic country. So what is meant by democracy? Let's ask Google. Hey Google, explain democracy.
Democracy is that form of government in which the people have the authority to choose their governing legislators.
Can you tell me more?
A democracy means rule by the people. The name is used for different forms of government, where the people can take part in the decisions that affect the way their community is run.
Okay. Now let's come to the situation. Last year we were hit with a pandemic called COVID-19 which no one cannot forget because the difference it brought to our lives were huge. That was unexpected. So definitely no one predicted the effect of that. And at that situation we were running short of beds, hospitals, vaccines, so many deaths. Government imposed lockdown and many people like frontline workers, doctors, police personnel struggled a lot to get the situation down, and somewhat it was controlled and further things came into our control. And we blamed government. And because of lockdown, companies didn't get projects, people had no work, our economy was down, everyone was facing challenge crisis. We blamed government. Then the year ended, we thought COVID also ended. We were happy with our things, we came back to our normal lives, we threw masks, we enjoyed movies, parties, cricket. And when everything was going fine, there was second wave of COVID which is expected to be more worse than the previous one. Sudden rise in number of cases and increase in people deaths, the same situation is brought down by us and we blame government as usual. Yes, we should blame government for not learning from the previous situation and being in the same condition of lack of beds, ventilators, hospitals and shortage of oxygen is an added thing to blame government for their irresponsibility. Yes, we should blame government for conducting elections, rallies, mass campaigns, religious activities and many more things. Yes, we should blame government. We all have that responsibility of blaming government. We feel supremacy when we troll or blame government. Okay, fine, we blame government, parties and people involved in it. Other than blaming, what else we did? Country in the sense only government, not people. Because we give them power, you don't have any power. Because they rule you, you can't do anything. When government conducted rallies and mass gatherings, what you did? You did the same thing. Functions, marriages, parties, celebrations. When government failed to take care of country's medical infrastructure and other things, what you did? You failed to take care of your own personal health. India loses around 2 lakh people on an average per year in accidental deaths. Government advises people to use helmets or seat belts, follow traffic rules, be in speed limit and drive safe. We don't follow them. We lost lives. But we don't blame government because we decided and understand that it's our mistake. COVID deaths in India is almost the same. In this pandemic, we are advised to wear masks, use sanitizers, follow healthcare, be safe. But we don't because that's not our duty, right? We are losing lives, facing crisis, but we just blame government and do nothing. When someone dies in someone's family because of COVID, that's just a piece of news for you. But think of the family situation. Should that repeat in your case to learn what you are doing? This is the time to wake up. A country doesn't mean that it is only government is responsible and only people in it can do. It is also people's responsibility. If not this government, can we assure that the situation will be better? No. But if we are responsible, we can take this to a better situation. You know, even in a normal situation, a soldier carries around 20 to 30 kgs of weight in form of bags, boots and other safety things in border. When he faces battle, it will be even more. Can't you carry a mask on your face? Aren't you a soldier for your country when we are facing a situation like COVID? Always wear a mask, maintain social distance, follow safety conditions, be a soldier for your country, spread smiles, not virus. Be positive, don't get positive. Because only you can safeguard you and your environment.